To welcome financial advisor and fellow tall guy Rick Bloom here. 18,000. I remember late 90s it crossed 8,000 and everybody was celebrating.
To put something in perspective, the last time the Lions beat Green Bay at Green Bay 23 years ago, the Dow was at 2,900.
2,900. So we have grown.
We've had a great growth spurt, and it just shows you the resilience of the American economy. I always say this: anyone who bets against the American economy always loses.
At the beginning of this year, there were actually some dire predictions of what the market was going to do this year. Everybody thought this was going to be a terribly down, maybe almost another recession year.
Well, right, because particularly beginning of the year, job numbers were very poor. The job situation has improved dramatically. What's also helped is low gas prices. If you look at it, gas prices have been about a $60 billion tax cut for consumers. So it's really been good news for consumers, lower gas prices.
Now, most Americans, as you're aware, don't really necessarily have stocks in the market that they trade on a daily basis, but they certainly have 401ks. A lot of people have company stocks that they get as part of their paychecks and stuff. What is this going to mean for them, the Dow doing what it's doing right now?
It should mean higher 401k balances, which is so important for people saving for their retirement. And it should be an encouragement for people who are not investing in their 401k plans to get involved with it. It just shows you that the market's resilient. It's time in the market, not timing the market, that makes someone successful.
Coming to the new year, do you recommend that people just continue to beef up the 401s, or do you say, hey, go ahead and get in the stock market, go out there and buy that Microsoft, go ahead and buy that Apple?
I think investors should invest based upon their goals and objectives. If you're long-term, you belong in the market, no matter where the market is on a day-to-day basis. If your goals are short-term, 6 months, a year down the road, you probably shouldn't be in the market. It's too volatile. But long-term investors, you need to be in the market. It's the only way your money's going to grow in real dollar terms.
All right, keeping in mind that everybody predicted it was going to be a bad year, go ahead and give me the prediction for next year.
Well, I'm always bullish on the American economy. I think next year is going to be a good year. I think we're going to still have low gas prices, which fuels the U.S. economy, and our job situation is getting better. The U.S. economy is creating jobs. As Americans, we like to work. When Americans are working, that's good news for the American economy.
All right, I'm going to invest in North Korean internet stock. That's where I'm putting my money right now. Rick Bloom, as always, thank you for coming by.
Thanks so much.
Happy Christmas and
Merry
New Year
Christmas,
and
Happy New Year to you and yours.
And glad to back over to you.